Hi, welcome to Scholarscope, the YouTube channel dedicated to providing students with the latest information on scholarships and financial aid opportunities. We understand that financing higher education can be challenging, and we are here to help ease that burden by offering insights and guidance on the various scholarships available to students across the globe. Our team is passionate about empowering students with the knowledge and resources needed to pursue their academic aspirations without financial constraints. Whether you are a high school student preparing for college, a graduate student seeking research grants, or a professional looking to pursue advanced degrees, Scholarscope has got you covered. On this channel, we will share information on various scholarships and grants, tips on how to write winning scholarship essays, interviews with successful scholarship recipients, and much more. We will also feature expert guests and scholars who will offer insights and advice on navigating the complex world of scholarship applications. At Scholarscope, we believe that education should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. So, if you are looking for guidance on financing your education and unlocking your academic potential, subscribe to our channel and join our community of scholars today. Thank you for choosing Scholarscope.